Tired of leads slipping through the cracks because you're manually transferring data from Manychat to Follow Up Boss? Well, in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to connect Manychat to Follow Up Boss using Make, formerly known as Integromat, so you can automate lead capture, ditch the manual entry, and focus on closing deals. First, head over to Make and create an account or log in if you already have one. Then, click on Create a new scenario to start building your automation. Click the plus button and search for Manychat. Select the Manychat module and choose Watch Events as the trigger. Connect your Manychat account by adding your API key. You can find this in your Manychat settings under the API section. Choose the specific event you want to trigger the automation, like a new subscriber or a custom field change. Now, click the plus button again and search for Follow Up Boss. Select the Follow Up Boss module and choose Create a Person. Connect your Follow Up Boss account by adding your API key, found within your Follow Up Boss account under API. Map the data fields from Manychat to the corresponding fields in Follow Up Boss, such as name, email, and phone number. Be sure to test each field to ensure the correct data is being sent. Click the Run Once button to test your scenario and ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, activate your scenario by toggling the scheduling button to on. Congratulations! You've now automated the process of sending leads from Manychat to Follow Up Boss. Now you can sit back, relax, and watch your leads automatically flow into your CRM, ready for follow-up.